The Robotics and Technology Academy at Northeast High School prepares students for careers in robotics, electronics, engineering, manufacturing, and related technology fields. The program of study for this academy allows students to take courses in Principles of Engineering and Technology, Digital Electronics, and Robotics and Automated Systems. Seniors will round out their academy experience with an engineering practicum course. Additionally, students may have the opportunity to earn 2 different certifications: Autodesk Inventor Certified User and the FANUC certificate. Students who participate in the Robotics and Technology Academy may have unique educational opportunities to learn from experts in related fields through guest speakers who are also industry experts. They may participate in field trips to see different ways in which engineering and technology are used within local businesses and manufacturers, or visit the engineering and technology departments of local colleges and universities. Academy students may also choose to join the Technology Student Association or compete in VEX Robotics tournaments. Teams from the Robotics and Technology Academy have received recognition at the state and national level for the excellence of their work with robotics and coding. Over the course of 4 years, students who participate in the Robotics and Technology Academy will have multiple opportunities to deepen their understanding of the world of robotics and technology while broadening their understanding of related principles.